Hi everyone, welcome back to this series. Question number 40 we have today with us. Let's have a look. A parallelogram ABCD has area 48. The length of CD is 8, that of AD is S. Which one of the following is necessarily true? We have to find about S. What can it be? I've made a rectangle on your screen. So this side, let's say this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So CD is given as 8 to us. And length of AD, he says, what can it be? So I'm saying if it's a rectangle, 8 into 6 gives me 48. Now some of you might be having this question, sir, can we take a rectangle? Yes, every rectangle is a parallelogram. The reverse is not true, but every rectangle is a parallelogram. Now my point is, keeping that 8 and 6 fixed, if I just tilt the sides a little bit, the parallelogram would look like this, right? This is 8 and this is 6. But can I say in this case, the area would actually decrease from 48? Rather, if I further tilt it, it becomes 6 and it becomes 8 over here, the area would further decrease. So if you keep on tilting, the area would keep on decreasing. If I keep S as 6 and I keep CD as 8, the area would keep on decreasing. What if I want to have an area exactly 48 and I want CD as 8 only? What will happen to this side AD? If the CD is equal to 8, I will have to take this over here so that now the parallelogram that is formed, it will have an area of 48 even if this side is equal to 8. And in this case, of course, I see that this complete side would be greater than 6. If I further tilt it and I keep the other side as 8, right? Area would still remain 48 and you would see this side is further more than 6. So if you look at these sides, they are actually increasing. More you tilt, more they would increase. That means the my value of S would keep on increasing from 6. So therefore, S is always greater than or equal to 6. And that is the right answer for this question. This is what I call an aptitude way of solving the question. Thank you very much.